record. Hey, it's open house and okay, already it's not even 12:30. It is boiling hot. 6th grade parents are coming through. We'll see. It is what it is. And we even got parents taking tours one-on-one. I think you can see them down there. Yeah, coming down the hall. Awesome. Awesome sauce. It is what it is. It is a hot, hazy day. Even though I don't want it to rain, I kind of, like the Temptations say, wish it would rain. How do I flip the camera around? All right. Okay. So this is the carnival that we call open house.
Is it 25 for the tech?
Yes.
Okay.
40 for reduced.
40 for reduced, 25.
50 for regular.
25 if it's a free lunch.
Okay. Principal, first year principal vlog. Who knows what day it is? Oh, I do. I know it's the day of my first open house. It's also the first time I got to sign a check, so that was kind of cool. So we got pictures of that. Right now, as you can see, I don't know if you can see at this angle what the clock on the wall says. Hopefully we can get a clip of the clock on the wall. Which officially means I have done a little too much school today. So it is time to pack it in. Do I have insights? Do I have anything to share with you from first day of open house? I know it's going to be different this year. I know for every kid we think is, going to show up Monday. It's only going to be a part of our campus because we're going to be in this hybrid mode, which means that some of our kids are going to be virtual and some of our kids are going to be here 2 days a week. The other half of our kids are here another 2 days a week. So I know it's not going to be the most typical school year. I know that. I know that for this staff, it's going to probably be even harder because they got to get used to this new administrator and my expectations. I know one of the questions I got asked today that I was hoping I could put off answering was about a software program, and evidently there's a software program that they have used, and it's used to kind of track what kids are doing in real time, which I guess could have some value if you're trying to teach a lesson and kids are off task. But I just don't know whether those systems that are designed, whether there's a benefit to it. The one thing I don't know whether my teachers are taking the time to do or to realize that I want done is I want those relationships built. I think that is so important, and I hope they do take that time to do that. And I, as a leader, want to give them that space to do that. So, yes, there are certain things I think we have to do and we have to establish as far as expectations of what we want and what it needs to look like for my teachers who are stressing and just starting to stress out. I want to say don't stress. Don't stress. I think it's going to work out. I think even now, being here with the teachers and getting to meet some of my students and my parents, I know it's going to be bumpy. There's going to be hard times. There's going to be some struggle. There's going to be new learning. Just wearing the mask all the time is hard for most people. But I just know on the other side of it, we're going to be so much better if we learn, if we get 10% better, just a little better every day. We're going to learn so much. So I look forward to that time. And I think it's going to be good, y'all.